Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some gnomes. Let's start off by drawing a tall upside-down V shape for the gnome's hat. Then, a small oval underneath for its nose. Followed by some lines going to the middle for the bottom edge of the hat. From this corner, draw a zigzagging line that goes down and all the way around to the other side for a bushy beard. And extend some of the corners of the beard up to give it some texture. Next, draw two lines coming down from the beard, bending outward slightly. Two ovals with flat bottoms for the feet, and some short lines going across to close out the shape. Finally, finish off our gnome with two curved lines on either side for some arms. Next, let's draw a taller gnome in a different style. Draw the V shape again for the hat, but this time make the lines really wavy like this hat is super wrinkly. Like before, a small oval underneath for the nose. And this time, let's give him a mustache with two small leaf shapes sticking out from underneath. Don't forget the bottom of the hat. And for the beard, draw some really gentle S shapes coming down to a point for a really wavy beard to match his hat. For the body, draw a big boxy U shape underneath. Two curved lines for some arms going behind his back, and two small ovals underneath for the feet. And finally, let's draw a really big gnome in another style. Let's make his hat really short and flat. Give him a nose like the others, but some really sharp zigzags coming out from under for his mustache. Then the bottom of the hat, and a really sharp zigzagging line that goes all the way around to the other side for his beard. Under that, an even bigger round shape for the body. This time, draw a curved L shape for the arm, with a small semicircle under for the hand, and mirror that on the other side. Lastly, two big flat semicircles under the body for his feet. And now you've got some gnomes. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.